Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do a quick little update video on my belt grinder. Let's call it Belt Grinder 2.0. Show you all the new things I've updated. I put in new wheels, new tracking wheel, and then I'll show you the drive wheel. I got all the stuff from this guy on eBay called the Oregon Blade Maker. I highly recommend it. He's very cheap and all the stuff is heavy duty. The bearings are extra heavy duty, so you know they're not going to blow out right away like those little roller skate wheels I originally tried to use. They're meant for belt sanders. They're made very well, so I highly recommend them. Oregon Blade Maker on eBay. Check them out. You get the whole set for like 60 bucks. But me, I bought them each piece individually, each paycheck, because I can't spend a ton of money on my hobbies. Yeah, so bring over the belt grinder here, and I'll show you all the upgrades I did here. First off, you can see that I painted it red and black instead of that ugly puke green I had. So painted the platinum red. I upgraded to these really nice wheels. Highly recommend this guy. He's called the Oregon Blade Maker. Really heavy duty bearings in these bad boys. This is designed for belt grinders. All the stuff is made for blacksmiths and people who make blades. So we got two of those. I want to say two of those was 20 bucks plus shipping. Here's the main unit there. It all started with I broke down and I bought this drive wheel. This is a 5-inch drive wheel. With shipping, I want to say it was $42. And this is just so nice that I ended up buying more. Got the nice little set screw in there so you can lock it down. So before, as you can see here, excuse me about the shake here, I had the spring tensioner in here. You push down and here it is here. So essentially, I took this piece here. This is my tracking arm. I had it right here. So this wasn't high enough, and there was not enough tension on the belt. So that's why it was constantly, doing this number, and I couldn't keep it on there well enough. So I decided to go with the rocker style or teeter-totter style tracking, which puts way more tension on the belt, and it frickin' runs perfect. Also upgraded to a 3-inch tracking wheel. Same guy, Oregon Blade Maker on eBay. This bad boy was 14 bucks, something like that. He sells them in a set. I should have originally bought all of them. Instead, I tried to save a few dollars, which didn't work. And I bought these stupid skateboard or longboard wheels, which, if you look, not nearly as nice as these. These are much, much wider. Okay, I'm going to set the tripod down here, slap a belt on it, and show you how well she runs here. Where are the arrows? I bought these belts. These J-Flex belts are freaking awesome. Line everything up. Alright, there you go. You see how well she tracks there? Much better than before. So here's the tracking wheel, the tracking lever. I'm not going to mess with it, but I just turn this, it goes in, turn the other way, it goes out. Standard tracking, works really, really well. I really like the red too. I think it looks much better. Nice big old rest here. I really like this. Alright guys, there she is. 2x72-inch belt grinder. Update 2.0. Highly recommend you do the pivot style arm versus the push down spring. Alright, I've got this burned up railroad spike. I'll just show you roughly. There you go. This is only 180 grit, I think. Works really well. Very pleased. Overall, is worth spending the extra $60 for the professionally made wheels. Don't try to make your own. Highly recommend it. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the wheels or accessories I got for a belt grinder, shoot me a question down in the comments. I'll be happy to get back to you. So stick around. I have lots of good content coming up. I bet you're wondering, what is that big ass sword he has on his shoulder? Well, this is a little project I'm working on here. So stay tuned. You're going to want to watch this. It's going to be freaking awesome. So not quite done with it yet, but a little sneak peek. Wow. Also, I put a donate button. So if you're looking at my page, in the upper right hand corner, I put a little PayPal donate button for an anvil fund. I'm trying to save money for an anvil. So if you want to donate $1, $2, 50 cents, $1,000, feel free to. That'd be great. But if you don't have money, you know, I'm not saying please give me money. But if you have a couple extra bucks and you want to throw my way so I get an anvil to help me make some more stuff, that'd be greatly appreciated. There's a few nice anvils on the market right now I wouldn't mind picking up, which hopefully soon, we're moving here in the next week and a half. If we ever sell this house, then I'm going to get one. But, so feel free to donate if you want to. If not, tell me to F off, I really don't care. So, thanks for watching. Hope everybody enjoyed it. See ya!